The camera moves toward an exposed organ human holding a glass of Pepsi Cola. Organs shift with subtle breathing while bubbles rise in the drink. Rim light sweeps across tissues as the solid ice blue background stays clean and empty. The camera dives between villi in the small intestine. Glowing particles detach from Pepsi Cola and pass into capillaries. Dust-like motes float through a shallow depth of field as absorption occurs. The camera dives between villi in the small intestine. Glowing particles detach from Pepsi Cola and pass into capillaries. Dust-like motes float through a shallow depth of field as absorption occurs. The view expands to a full-body cutaway. Glowing particles ride through vessels, pulsing with each heartbeat. Organs and muscles briefly illuminate as circulation distributes the compounds. Inside a transparent brain, synapses fire in rapid bursts. Neural pathways light up along branching networks, suggesting temporary alertness and mental stimulation. Next, the camera glides along major muscle bundles. Vessels deliver particles into fibers, showing nourishment and microactivation across muscular tissue. Inside the gut microbiome, clusters respond to Pepsi Cola components. Bacteria pulse with color as tiny particles move through the intestinal scene. A human silhouette brightens from within as energy radiates outward. Pulses travel through limbs, symbolizing a short-lived surge. The camera returns to the stomach lining, now irritated. Redness and swelling form as acidic fizz makes contact. A macro view of skin shows red patches spreading. Dermis layers swell slightly, indicating a mild allergic response in sensitive cases. Inside the bloodstream, sugar particles cluster around red blood cells. A faint pancreas icon pulses to signal the insulin spike. Finally, the camera zooms into cells as mitochondria dim, ATP levels fade, then zooms out to a silhouette losing internal glow against solid ice blue.